Iwan mo ako.
Ayun.
Nakakalimutan mo ako palagi.
Hindi marami kang ano.
Ganyan.
Mga ka-vlogs, pupunta ako sa isang pinaka-exciting na lugar. Ang isang lugar kung saan lang naman ako nag-upload ng mga videos. Yes! Pupuntahan tayo kasi invite tayo ni Maninay! And syempre, nandun din ang mga aking mga vlog rangers friends and also YouTube vloggers PH family. And let's go ahead and speed it out. Hey ka-vlogs, nandito na ako sa YouTube Space Manila. Gano'n tayo mga production. Siyempre, yung ginagamit viewers na YouTubers para siyempre makita natin kung paano nila inaayos, ginagawa ang isang high-end production value na mas mataas sa ginagawa ko. Nice. I activated another vloggers here, si Man from Yogo and Cream. Yes, and ayun, malis yung iba pero hahagilapin ko ulit sila. Yes, ako din naman.
Para malaman nyo kung paano manood kayo ng vlog ko.
Yes.
Man Vlogs!
Uy, lalagay ko dito yung links niya. Here, what I see. You know? Vlogs natin. Ito, si Pasti, nakikita niyo na sa Omni and Bri.
Hi!
Si David. And then, syempre, Millennium Mar.
Hi! Hello!
Nakita naman akong bagong character, si
Chavik Chinikan!
Yeah.
Hello po! Rina from our Earth and Six Adventures. Subscribe po kayo.
Yan, sige. At ikaw, Pring.
Hi! I am at Robert Emil and
new character po ni
Milky po.
ano po channel?
Milky Way. MILKYWAIT.
Ayun. Thank you. Uy, ano muna, bagong character po si Alex. Ano pong channel?
My own channel, Alex Nagpil.
Nice, ayun. Ay, anong name po? Channel? Ayun, bagong. Yes.
hello.
Hanap na naman po ako ng rare YouTuber dito. Yes. So, yes, like, subscribe din syempre sa kanya. And syempre, support each other.
Yeah.
Dito mo malalaman kung merong YouTube event talaga. Maraming kamerang nakalabas. Yan po ang katotohanan. Hey mga ka-vlogs, it's AZ Toscano. Nandito ako sa YouTube Space Manila. And nasa kalimitan na tayo ng araw at marami tayong sabihan. Go! Uy, ginigising niyo yung mga patay. Ano ba yan? Natutulog? Ay, kanina nandito ako. Tahimik pa. Pero kasi, ano po, binulabog po nila yung mga patay. Tingnan mo, oh. Natutulog po. Pag-ising ko. Wow. Hi, Jaco. Hey, hi, Jaco. Yes.
Are you guys checking out?
Yeah. And now we're Jaco here on the side. Yes. And hey, thank you kasi before I want to go with Jollibee, but I'm actually not able to go there.
Dun to meet and greet.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. This is my first time I meet you
No.
personally.
Well, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Easy Buscano Vlogs. You gotta go check it out. Like these guys are.
Yes.
Wala siya from the last. Wala siya nung Jollibee.
Yes.
You guys were there. I mean,
Yes.
remember you guys. Yeah, just keep making videos, guys. I mean, that's what makes YouTube's about. You guys are
Okay,
doing
thank you. Max setup. I got Hailey Dasovich here. Thank you very much. And also by one of our subscribers. So.
Oh, awesome! Woo!
And subscribe to Hailey Dasovich.
Yes, they are the me.
Yes. Hello everybody. Able to go there na Jollibee, but I'm part of the Vlog Rangers.
Okay. Oh, you're part of Vlog Rangers?
Yes, so I'm first time
these little squads that are creating,
yes.
you know.
So first time that I meet you personally.
Really?
Because,
Talaga?
yeah, because I only see you on your vlogs.
How long have you been watching the vlogs for?
Actually, it's already for 6 months. Yeah.
AZ, guys, subscribe to AZ Buscanon.
Yes.
AZ Buscanon's vlog, and yeah, I'm so happy that all you guys are forming little communities and you're working on vlogging. Don't stop uploading. Thumbnail and title is important, and keep bettering yourself, not just the numbers.
Yeah, but also the community.
Also the community.
Yes.
That's so true. Collaboration is key in this game.
Actually, I collab to all of them.
Yes, that's good. That's good. That's good.
Okay, thank you. Hi, Sebi here, and then yan, Bansky and Mai. Hindi ko na record kanina eh.
Gumagawa ko ng kung ano-anong vlogs, travel vlogs. Kung ano-ano lang, basta.
Anong name? Anong name?
Lance Preon.
Ayun, Lance. I'm with
Above level 4, the creator
TV.
community.
Hello, I'm the founder of Global Pinoy Vlogger. Thank you sa mga sumali. Sumali rin pala to.
Kasali din ako. And then si Rika.
Hello po! Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rika Season po.
Your name
I do
and then
beauty lifestyle
YouTube channel.
and vlogs po.
Patricia TV and ano po,
Okay.
lifestyle, DIY
Name and YouTube channel. Yes.
But here's the video. I hope it plays.
Channel of Advocate ko na, nakita ko na po siya. Yes.
Thank you guys. Make sure to check out my channel and this channel too. So yeah, thank you so much for the support.
Keeping my hands to myself. No matter how hard I'm trying to, I want you all to myself. You never forget to trust. So come and give me a taste of what it's like to be next to you. Let the shadows relax. You're meant for those who oh, oh.
Vanina and then from
Oy, talaga. Andiyan si Vanina.
Kita ko naman ang mga Vlog Rangers.
Vlog Rangers in the house!
Party lang tayo, guys.
Party!
Dito lang si Koala Adventures, Koala Adventure and si Rini. So, nakita ko na hanapin ko pa iba Rangers. Okay.
Switch boy! Nagiging epidemya na yung intro ko masyado.
Ayun. Salamat.
Ikalat yo.
Sige, salamat.
Cancer ako, cancer. Subscribe po sa channel ko, King FB, yun lang.
Ayun. Sa'yo, ayun naman.
Master boy! Master Jeremiah! Ako si Clyde. Amateur place.
Ayun. Salamat.
Salamat, sir.
See her on YouTube community, and now I now see her at this event. Thank you very much.
This is nice to meet you. Hi.
This is Black Light. I have Brett here on my side.
Your Canadian boy, Brett Maverick. What's going on, you guys? Subscribe to this channel. Keep vlogging.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
There's iba pang hindi pa nasasama. Mermaid Ranger. Si Super and siyempre si Nuno. Ang aming Food Ranger. Yan. Kaya Bento. Yun. Ay, ito. Kasama namin Star-Lord Ranger. Ezreal. Yun. Yes.
Nagari kami ngayon, pero okay lang. Having fun, enjoying the lechon, the overflowing wines and champagne. Thank you, YouTube.
Iwan mo ako.
Ayun.
Nakakalimutan mo ako palagi.
Hindi marami kang marami
kaya siya
kang
nagyayayang mag. Momol kami.
Momol, ayun.
Magmomol. Ano? Magmomol kami.
Yan, si Mayora. Yan, syempre, yan. Ano na, pagod na pero may energy pa rin para sa pag-uwi. Yan.
Syempre para ano tayo.
Yan.
Mag-e-edit.
Oo. AC, and thank you very much sa pagsama sa akin dito sa YouTube Space Manila. And actually, gabing-gabi na we need to rest. But go on to my social media accounts, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also, syempre, my own, with my blogger na syempre azbuscan at wordpress.com. So thank you very much, Vlogs, and see you next time. Bye!